Bitcoin is getting ready for another move in the market right now, and in this exact video I will be also talking about this coin I shorted yesterday that literally has gone down more than 30 to 40% towards the downside ever since I talked about it. So I will be discussing this and the most important charts on Bitcoin right now here. So without any further ado, don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Can we once again smash it back above 300 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the imminent short term for Bitcoin. I know there is not a lot of stuff happening on the price action of Bitcoin right now here, but after we created that CME gap, straight away after Bitcoin went down here, filled up the CME gap, and after we filled up the CME gap, Bitcoin had a small little push towards the upside. After we've seen it, I mean, Bitcoin is still hovering around 26.6k, and basically what we're currently seeing here is that Bitcoin is still trading against this resistance level that we also got rejected from in the past. So yes, while Bitcoin is consolidating, I think that 26.7k is the most important resistance to break, and once we do break above this level and confirm the break above 26.7k, then I will be expecting we're going to see a more exponential rally towards the upside for Bitcoin. And yes, my price targets on the top side are somewhere around 27.8k, and my targets on the lower sides are around 25,000 US dollars. So looking at Bitcoin, yes, we've got this very horizontal resistance line sitting around 26.7k, but also we're creating a symmetrical triangle with downward sloping resistance line. And on the 4-hourly time frame, this level, the downward sloping resistance line, is the level that currently is acting as resistance. So as soon as Bitcoin confirms the break above 26.7k, that is the point where I will be expecting a massive continuation towards the upside. And the price target of this pattern right here is hanging around 27.2k, so I'm looking forward towards having a potential breakout from off this pattern. Further on, we can clearly see this level on the lower side, $25,000, is the main support for Bitcoin to be watching. And if we once again will go back towards this level, I will still be a buyer, but personally, I don't really expect this gain to be happening. We already created that lower low in the price action. We already created that lower low in the price action, higher low in the RSI. So we're creating a bullish divergence on the daily time frame, also on the 3-day time frame, and Bitcoin is right now starting to see a small little bounce back towards the upside. And looking at the daily time frame, you can clearly see as well here, Bitcoin is getting rejected and supported by these levels here. So first of all, you see the top side is acting as resistance, that previously around acted as resistance as well. Here you can see the support in the past acted as resistance. Here as well, we got a massive rejection from this level, and now for the last 3 times we've been retesting this level, we have seen a bounce from off this exact level. Further on, if we're looking at the Bitcoin price action, you can clearly see, just like I talked about, $25,000, that previous level of resistance is the most important support. We can currently also clearly see here, there's potentially a similar resistance line that we saw also last time around getting created, and the last time around we broke above this resistance line, Bitcoin went absolutely parabolic towards the upside and shoot up from $26,000 all the way up to 32,000 US dollars. So yeah, if Bitcoin really breaks above this downward sloping resist line, I think Bitcoin will once again very quickly break above this level and continue further on towards $32,000. And yes, if you're zooming out to that point, potentially we are starting to create somewhat of a W pattern. So yeah, looking forward towards where we're heading towards. But if Bitcoin breaks towards the upside and we create another very fast move towards the upside, we could be creating that W pattern, and we could be starting to create a very gigantic move on the price action of Bitcoin. So yesterday on my video, I talked about TRB. I was telling everyone that I was shorting it and that I already made some shorts and that I was once again shorting it. And here it was still $39 and now it's $25 because yes, it went down over 45% towards the downside. What is absolutely insane. And to be very honest, I think it's going to collapse even harder. I said it yesterday as well, just like last time around, it pumps very slowly towards the upside, but it dumps very quickly. And exactly at the moment I turned bearish, it was on this exact all-time high. So yes, shorting these overpumped altcoins is definitely a very interesting thing to do. I had the exact same with this one, HIFI. It pumped towards the upside and massively cashed a short position on it as well here. So yes, guys, if you want to make money in crypto right now here, I think trading and shorting these overpumped altcoins is maybe the best way to go here. So yeah, the reason why it was pumping is because it was getting a 1000% APR on Binance, but it was also launched from Binance, what I don't trust. So yeah, it was definitely very interesting to see what happened over here, but made a ton of money from it. So definitely interesting to see what happened here. I made a ton of money here, so I hope you guys guys did so as well, because yes, I called this exactly perfect on the all-time high here. So if you want to be trading on it, I will leave you a link to this pair in the link description. But also, if you want to claim a free $1,000 long or short position on Bitcoin or XRP, you can also go to the link description of today's video, and all you need to do is deposit $100 and you can claim a free $1,000 Bitcoin or XRP long or short position, whatever you prefer. Further on, we can currently clearly see that the daily EMA ribbon is actually going to be acting as resistance for Bitcoin right now here, since we're literally trading against this level right here. And yeah, I'm just waiting before we're breaking above it. And once we break above it, that will be, of course, the turning point in the market. And also a very interesting thing to see here is that on the 3-day time frame, we're about to be having a bullish crossover on that MACD. And the last time that happened was exactly on this candle right here. So the candle that basically initiated and indicated the reversal for Bitcoin. But what we're going to currently see is that the MACD is forming a clear lower low here, while the price action on Bitcoin has been forming a higher low. We've been seeing the same for Bitcoin as well here on the RSI, but this means that we're creating a hidden bullish divergence. So the MACD is indicating there has been more sell pressure, but the price action is holding up a higher high. So yeah, that is actually meaning that we are quite strong in the market right now here. So I won't be surprised to really see that reversal back towards the upside. I mean, all the signs are pointing towards that direction right now. You can also see it on the RSI. The RSI is also saying the same story. So RSI is creating a lower low, price action higher low. So this means that, yeah, we are seeing more sell pressure getting absorbed, but the price action is forming a higher low. So is Bitcoin strong right now? Is this reversal going to be happening? Probably it is, since all these signals are pointing towards this direction. Further on, we can currently see on the weekly time frame, Bitcoin closed its first weekly candle in the green once again since 5 weeks time here, what is absolutely massive. So yeah, Bitcoin bouncing a little bit from this horizontal support and the downward sloping resistance line from the top side. So yeah, I mean, we're looking right now at a massive cup and handle pattern for Bitcoin. I mean, if this one breaks out here from the top side, we are looking for a price target somewhere around 48 to 50,000 US dollars, what is absolutely massive. It's a massive price target that I'm currently aiming for. So looking forward towards seeing this price target getting reached there. But yeah, that was it for me in today's update video. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.